happen, we go dey yarn am. If it dey happen, we go dey yarn am. As e dey happen, na so we go dey take the table am for now. E don happen again o. Wetin happen so now be say Yoruba people now they wan still drive themselves comot for Naija. Hey. Omo, this one a big problem o. This one a big problem, very big problem for Naija. Igbo people don wake up say they wan go on their own. Yoruba people now they still wake up say they wan go on their own. Hausa people wait till na dey wait for, na no go go on our own. May una go on our own. May una just go. May una go join all this Niger, Libya, because na people wey fit una. People wey be say una with them they do the same thing. May una go on our own. Hausa people, may una leave us alone. Yoruba people they say they want go on their own. Igbo they say they want go on their own. Only Hausa people no want go on their own. Why? Because of say they get petrol for us. Now it make them say they no want go on their own. Because of all the benefits the way that they get for us, that make them no one leave us alone. Okay, look at now. Outside people they don't get good. Why they no want go? They want still they shop the gold money and still they shop the petrol money. Why outside people greed like this? And when I say una be Muslim, why una greed like this? Una own greediness say e too much. May una go on una own, go dey manage una gold with una tomatoes and the other things wey una say una dey produce. With una yeye rice wey una say una dey produce or everything. I no even know the ones wey una produce for them. May una go on una own. May una leave us alone. The one wey be say no be say we now will go willingly from una say we wan comot. Na because of wetin una dey do na make us say we wan do on our own. Even Yoruba people wey no dey even dey talk now don vex say they wan go on their own. My this thing don too much. Make una go on our own. If they divide Nigeria now, everybody go, Yoruba go, Hausa people go. They will go treat themselves as they want. People when they say if Igbo people go on their own, say you know go, the same thing go see the work. It better me would do on your own because Igbo man now no go they think of to keep person. What Igbo man they think now he go take make money. Even Yoruba man no go they think on how to keep person. Now say one take making money now they think. Only Hausa people now I see say they no go ever mind their business. They no go ever mind their business. They go carry another people join body which is Fulani people. They will see that they disturb people wey do on their own. Every time they carry car up and down. They know they see all this Europe. They know we say they shop meat pass for Nigeria. Pass Europe people. Europe people they shop meat. Since when me did this Europe, I they shop meat, both chicken, but I never use my eyes see them. Why Nigeria own go they different? Especially all these outside people where they train goats, where they train cow and goats, everything. Me una get large land, me una just build this thing for them. The only thing we go happen and they do be say we go they sell all this rice. This thing where they don't come off for rice, this grass where they don't come off for rice. They sell and they give una. As now they say tomatoes they give us, we go they sell and they give una. Una go they use and they train una goat. Una go still use the leaf when I still get from the side. They train una goat. Why no go they do like that? They carry goats, they walk up and down. They carry cow, they walk up and down. They keep people anyhow. Even value a cow life past human being life. Why would they do like that? It's no good. Everybody now don't decide if they want to go on their own. Even Yoruba patrols them because they get one mind. They even pass Igbo people, they don't get mind. They don't get that mind of to keep people to do something like that. They putting their focus on to do their business and to leave them alone. And now no one leave them alone. No one stop to they keep people. See as soon as they keep people. The other day now see where when I go poison water for somewhere in the Enugu state. When I want to kill the whole family, why they keep people like that? If okay now to reason this thing now, how this thing take be now? Una they say cow and una want make people they buy am And na those people wey dey buy am na una wan kill. Una no get sense. Una no get sense. Una no dey reason. I no still blame una because wetin una dey after be say to marry wife, born children like pussycat, born children everywhere. And no be say if una born finish una go train them. No, una no dey train them. Once that person don reach 4 years, una don give am, una don settle am with the plate wey go dey take dey do bambi and dey go up and down. When that one come grow now, wey be say e go see person wey go say e go give am something like even 10,000 to kill person, e go kill the person. Wetin una dey good, una dey do for Nigeria, you know you're good. And the worst thing wey dey vex me be say our government dey no wan put mouth, especially make dey stop all this boom wey be say outside person no go get money, e go dey marry up and down, e go marry like 5 wives, 10 wives. Maybe una pay better. I don't say make una don't marry because una na tradition, but make una do am be say na people wey get the money na go dey marry am, wey get the money to train the children wey dey born. Because wetin me see wey dey do na this thing be say the rate of poverty wey dey outside land too much. Me I know say e still dey for Igbo land, but at least before person go born, you go know say at least you go train his children for the level of maybe secondary or primary school. They go still get some their mama breast. I'm not sure say na they give pikin breast as in other part of Nigeria they give their children breast. Also na dey after to born them, leave them, they go dey suffer. And na dem build these people wey be say na dey be problem of Nigeria. Because person wey drink him mama breast well no go come wake up one day reason say na woman being go dey kill. No be say if you kill I go chop am, I go just kill and waste am. E no good. If the reason say they no all get sense, una wey be outside una no all get sense. Make una still reason, make una go on una own. If una go on una own, anyhow una like, make una say dey do una self. Now Yoruba people don raise up say they wan go on their own, and I trust Yoruba people. They no be like Igbo people wey no, wey they get sabo, wey they do themselves sabo. Yoruba people, they say yes, then all of them go gather together, go say, and their governor self, they no go even come put mouth, come they say, "I want to spoil my government, and I want to do this and that." They will just do it like say they don't know what they happen. They go just they do what they their mind. But if you stand now, say they want come stand against all these Fulani people now, you go see one governor go come and say he want to spoil my government. He want tell me say I no sabi govern the state, which is very bad. So my own now be say make outside people go their own. As Yoruba people don't let her decide say they want go on their own. Make outside people still go their own, because if they go their own, I be say Nigeria don't better. If Yoruba people go anyhow where they like, make they take govern their side, make they take do their own side. Their Yoruba anyhow where they like, make they take do and no wahala. Igbo people say anyhow where they like, make they take do their Biafra, make they take do the Biafra state. No wahala, but we will just make our heads still rest for all this killing everywhere. Our government no dey talk, not nobody dey talk. The thing dey tire me. As I dey talk, make I still show una for people wey never see the video where Yoruba people take they say they want go on their own. They don't be say they don't already design their flag. Most of their schools say they don't get their own national item. So like for me, I prefer it to make everybody just go on your own. All this click, everything will stop. Make everybody just go their own. For those of you who never watch the video, make I put the video for them, make una watch them. Oh yeah, put the video for them.
Yes, the new day has actually been proclaimed. We have reached a point at which we can define our status. We are going to define our status by the action that we now take. We have claimed our sovereignty back.
Shebi una don see am. Una don use una eye see wetin I dey talk. Nigeria don scatter be that. For me now, and the reason I like say that name Nigeria don hang. E don hang for somewhere. Very soon now, they no go dey hear that Nigeria. Now only outside people they go be that Nigeria. They go be that one Nigeria, be that two Nigeria. They go be and within themselves for them, because I'm not sure say Igbo people. I pray that God Almighty will help them very soon. Their Biafra go dey okay. go dey through, they will just get am. Me, I still dey pray to God say Oduduwa go get head, make Yoruba people go their own, make Hausa people dey their own, no be their Nigeria. They tell us na one which one Nigeria, they go they do the one Nigeria within themselves there. If they want to combine themselves, join all this Nigeria, combine themselves, join all this Nigeria, what they do? They leave us alone. The killing don't too much. Thank God say our youth now, they don't know something, no be like before where be everybody go dey fear. Very soon now, maybe 2 years time now, youth no go dey fear una. They no go dey fear una, no una go dey fear them. Because me see say most of una now, una dey fear them well. Yes, na so it go be. Na so. Very soon una go dey fear us, we no go dey fear una like as we take dey fear una small now, because I know say that fear don dey comot for some people eye. So my people, wetin me get to talk for this talk be say now, anybody wey know wetin go do, make e do. Make everybody go on their own. Hausa people go their own, Igbo people go, Yoruba people go. Yes, make everybody go. At the verse, the thing don too much. Make everybody go on their own. So you don't finish for my mouth, oh. As it dey happen, I say I go dey talk am until it go stop to dey happen. Good things start to dey happen, go still to dey talk am. Anywhere where happen, we go talk am. So my people, we don't finish for our mouth, oh. As I procure people. Okay, oh man, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share. Bye, yo.